Hey guys, today we will learn how to make these flowers. You can use them in your cardigan and handbags. So let's start it. Because these flowers are very tiny, so I'm using my leftover yarn, and this is white and this one is lavender, and the crochet hook is 5.5 mm. Okay, so we will start with a magic ring. First, take the white yarn. Hold the tail with your ring finger and thumb like this. Wrap it around your two fingers. Make a cross. And now insert your hook into the loop. Then pull up a loop. Turn it around. Then chain 2. 1 and 2. This is your magic ring. And now we will work 15 half double crochet into this ring. Yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through these 3 loops. This is your half double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 3. We have done our first half double crochet and second half double crochet. Let's do our third half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 3. Like this, we will finish our 15 half double crochets. Now let's do our last half double crochet. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 3. Okay, so you can count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So our 15 half double crochets are complete. We'll pull this tail to close our ring. And now where we did our chain 2, right here, we will insert our hook right here. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through this loop. This is our slip stitch. And now chain 1, cut this off. Our first step is complete now. And now we will make the petals. Keep tight. So this is our magic ring. For petals, insert your hook in any of the chain. Now change color. Pull up a loop of the new color. And then secure the end like this. And now chain 2. 1 and 2. Now into the same loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the same loop, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Again, repeat the process. Then pull through 2. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Again, make the last one. In total, you should have 5 loops on your hook. Now again, yarn over, but into the next gap, not in this one, into the next gap. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2. You should have 9 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do one more. Pull through 2. Now we have 9 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through these 9. Chain 2, 1 and 2. Now into the next gap, insert your hook and work 1 slip stitch. Chain 2. This is our first petal. Like this, we will make 6 or 7 petals. Yarn over where we did our slip stitch, insert your hook, pull up loop, pull through 2. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now let's do our fourth. We have 5 loops in our hook. Into the next gap, insert your hook and work 4 times. Now we have 9 loops on our hook. Pull through all 9, chain 2. In the next gap, insert your hook and work 1 slip stitch. Now repeat the process. And now let's work on our last petal. After slip stitch, insert work chain 2, 1 and 2, 4 loops, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 4 loops into our next chain gap, 3 and 4. Now pull up through these loops, chain 2, and now where we did our first petal, we will insert our hook and work 1 slip stitch. Now chain 1, cut this off. Okay, make it tight. Now just press it like this. Cut off the tails. Okay, so yes, our flower is ready now.